We all know that if we want to print something in the console, we can use console.log and with the double quote like this. And if we want to combine the string with a variable, we can also do like this. We can also do this with single quote rather than double quote. But since there will be a conflict of using single quotes here, then we have to use a backslash here. But as you can see, even though you are using double quotes or a single quote, it may be very annoying because you have to think about whether you have to add a plus symbol here or whether you have to add a backslash. And now you can use the template literal like this. Instead of using single quotes or double quote, we are using the back tag. And then we do not need this. And also we do not need the backslash. Now we can add the variable directly here and also add the full stop. Now as you can see, it is more straightforward and you do not need to think about whether you need to add the backslash in between.